You okay, Sam?
Can you let them
You need rescuing. Are you guys being gentle with him? Yes, don't pick him up. Just put him down. Don't want what, Bilbos? Why are you being a brat?
I'm playing.
Come here. Come here. What's up? What's up? 2-second bratness. Just pet the poor thing. Just pet him. That's all he wants in life. Is just pets. Don't make me take him out of here. You need to be gentle with him.
Mama, I want to put this way.
You did get in trouble, Siam, for running out the door this
Mama,
morning.
I want to put that one.
So your punishment is hanging out with the kids.
That one. Mama, I want to put that one.
Well, go ahead. You can play with whatever.
Mama,
You want me to let your cat go?
oh, follow me.
Aubrey, you want me to let your cat go? Can you go play now? Can Siam go out?
Mama, follow me, Mama.
Ethan, just scratch his head, pet his body, like this. That's all you gotta do.
He have germs bouncing his he's bouncing his back.
You got germs all over you too. You got more germs than the cat does.
What's me? I have germs. Wow! There's germs on my head.
There's germs all over, just everywhere. Come on out, buddy. All right, say goodbye to your cat. Okay.
Now who? No, I want to stay here.
Okay, well, just be nice to him, okay? Can you pet him very gently? Just pet him, okay? No picking up. Here you look.
I think he, Mama.
All right, you can go ahead.
Mama, guess what?
What?
I just, the kitty cat just came in and I saw him smash on the couch. That was silly.
Yeah, what's silly? Yeah. He says bye, sucker. Whoosh. Super fast. All right, go.
He went super fast.
Whoosh. All right, go play. Go play.
Aubrey! Nuh-uh. No. We're on you, Aubrey. Round and round, round and round. Ah! Oh. Oh.
So Ethan gets the bubbles, Aubrey gets the soap.
Now I can clean.
The whole table, okay?
I can clean this over here.
Yep, and you gotta go all the way over here, all around.
No, on the table.
Oh no, you gotta scrub right there, Aubrey, near your high chair. Nope, not on your high chair, right here, table.
Okay.
Scrub it, scrub it.
Over here, Aubrey. Yeah. Clean up all the stuff. Okay. So, I was cleaning this one. This was so funny. Now, Aubrey, do it this way. Okay. This goes do I hear? Mama, what are you doing? Mama, what are you doing? I wrote that way.
Don't clean. Ew, you got YouTube all dirty. Say sorry. Say sorry.
I'll clean it up.
Oh no, we're good. We're good.
I want to clean it up. There.
So much better, thank you. All right. We gotta get the other side of the table. We gotta get the whole table. Sponge. Opposite side, Ethan. Other side. Yep, move the other side, buddy. Next lesson, teach the kids how to fold the laundry. Scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub, you see. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do, scrub-a-dub-a-dub.
Bro.
Tree does not need.
Look like blueberry. Look like chicken. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? Is it France?
Yep, ranch. But you gotta eat your carrots, Aubrey. Don't just eat the ranch. Eat your carrots with the ranch. Yeah, good job, Aubrey. Except for getting all over your shirt.
Look at it. What's my picture? Oh, eat my. Oh, yeah. Mama! What do you mean?
Go see it, little ranch baby. You're eating Legos? Are Legos tasty to eat? I hope not. Oh, well, hey there. We get to keep company. Yumba, yumba, yumba. Well, it makes me happy to see you eat, Alexa. Enjoy. Love you. Don't make a mess with the ranch, or this is the last time for a while. I'm going to serve it to you too. Ethan. Eat it. Stop getting it all over. Eat your carrots.
Blueberries?
Grape.
Look, grapeberries.
It's grape.
It's grapes. You
It's a
trust grape? Just grape.
No, I'm good. You can have it. Ethan. Eat the carrots, not just the ranch.
Mama, there you go.
I'm good. I'm going to get my own.
Please. What's ranch? What's yummy? What's ranch? That's yummy.
Are you happy now?
Ooh, yummy. That's like this one?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I'll eat it by myself.
That's a good idea. No, for you. Stop feeding me your lunch. Alright, you got your ranch shoes on? Your farm boots on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
There's animals on it.
There's animals on it.
Yeah, I hear sharks.
Who's this guy? Oh, what you got, he says.
He said it's mine.
See it? See it? Come see your dog. Ethan,
Hi,
come
dog.
see your doggy.
Now we can go?
Yes, let's go get some eggs.
Yeah.
You got your egg basket? Let me see it.
I got my
Nice.
basket. We're going to the hatch.
Now we're gonna go collect some eggs. They don't hatch for like 3 weeks.
But we're
Takes a
going
while.
to the chickens and get them eggs.
Yep. I'll take care of the eggs, okay? But you can come in here and say hi to the chickens.
Now can I get the eggs first?
I'll hold the eggs, okay? They're very gentle, or they're very fragile. But you can watch though. See, look at it. She thinks you got a treat for her. Say what you got for me, human. Don't chase her, okay? Her rooster will get mad at you. All right, give me the basket, please.
Okay.
Give
Okay.
me the basket.
Now I can hold the eggs.
All right, you ready to see them? Just don't touch them.
Okay.
There's baby chicks that are gonna come out of these.
Can I grab them carefully?
No, just look at them. You can't touch them too much. No touch. Just look. I know you're all excited. You can hold it by the handle. Grab it by the handle. No, do not touch.
I'll see them.
They won't hatch out if you touch them too much. Don't touch. Don't touch. Remember, you can hold the basket. Okay. Good job. Actually, as long as you don't move, hold this right here. I'm going to shut the door. Okay? Do not move. Hold that very still. Do you understand me? It's very important you don't move, dude.
Let's go back home.
We're going to go one more area. You can't come in this area, but you can say hi. So stay right here. I'll be right back, okay?
A bug.
That's a bee. Oh no. Yeah, they like the corn for some reason.
Yeah.
Hi, Ralphie. What's up, buddy? Got treats for me, dude?
Can we go now?
Over here. So stand, walk over here. Lean down. Lean down. And then come over here. Grab this stuff and kind of throw it out like this. Like this. I And don't forget Ralphie behind you in the other area. Ralphie wants some treats too. Pass it through the fence. Good job. All right, come back up. Look at, they're eating out of your bowl. They got your bowl. All right, go ahead. Toss them some more. Toss it towards him. There, good job. All right, don't forget to give some more to Ralphie. Don't forget Wreck-It Ralph over here and his ladies. Good job, dude.
Look, you're eating some.
Yep, they are. Toss some more. Huh? Yeah. This Barney, though, was following them around. The Barnevelder was following them around. She's like, hey, you got treats? Oh, grab me the apples. The apple course. I got something else for them, Ethan, so hold on, buddy. Stay right there, okay? You can, no, this way. That yard that way. Toss it to those guys. Toss it. Woo! Good job. Right, toss all it in there. Woo! Yep, I'm going to. Oh, it's a happy Ralphie. That is a happy Ralphie. The Barnevelder. She's like, hey, where's mine? Where's my treat?
We're going to feed the chickens and go back home.
Now we're just going to go check and see if we can find one more egg. Your dad needs one more egg for hatching. Oh, these boys thinks we have treats. There's Romeo. There's Pony Boy. Xavier. Xavier getting huge, dude. I don't have any treats for you, buddy.
They have no treats for you?
Oh, actually, yeah, you can do treats for these guys, too. You can't give them too much. Wait. Wait. Can you wait for 1 second?
What?
Listen to Mama.
Can you scoop it up?
All right, now come over here. Let's get out of the way. Let's go over here. Okay. And then I want you to kneel down like you did the other curl. Kneel down.
Okay,
And then start tossing it out. Let's see if they start coming over to you. Toss it. Big chunks so they can see what you're doing. Oh, Romeo, Pony Boy sees it. Here comes Xavier. Here comes Xavier. My little whitey tighty boy.
another chicken.
Yeah, there's Maleficent. Here, stand up real quick. Stand up real quick. Gotta fix your pants. There you go. All right, go ahead. There's Rocky. That little boy's very curious. Go ahead, toss it. Go ahead and grab there. Just shoo him away. Toss it. There you go. Don't hit him. Try not to hit him. Look at that little boy. He's very curious.
Shoo him away.
Just toss it to them.
Oh, the chicken.
Just toss it to them. You're just giving them treats. There you go. Keep going. You're surrounded by chickens. Look at this, Ethan. You're surrounded by chickens. Keep tossing the treats. Toss it. Nah, don't hit him. You're gonna hurt him by doing that. Just toss him some treats.
Don't do them. We're eating them.
All right, I'll just hand it to you. How about that? Come on, boys. There you go. Just hold it with one hand and the other hand toss it, okay? All right, go ahead. Toss it this way. Just be gentle. There you go. Pony Boy wants some. That's Pony Boy. Can I help you, sir? What's up, sir? What's up, buddy? Yep, they're gonna follow you. They're gonna hang out with you. Hey, stand over here. Stand over here. Mama's gotta go check for an egg. Ravenna, where's my egg woman? What's up, Charles? Ooh, it's looking nice in here. Got you guys cleaned up out yesterday. All right, where's my egg, Ravenna? Where's my egg, Ravenna? Film the babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Little babies. Oh, look at that, Silkies. Hi, Silkies. You're still itty bitty. Even though you're like 6 or 7 weeks old. Hi, guys. No more chicken feed, Ethan. Leave it alone, buddy. No more. Only what I give you, okay? Such a pretty rooster. This one right here is a rooster. He's an olive egg rooster. I just love the little speckles red in him. This is an olive egg female. Got a Splash Wyandotte. That's our female right here. One of our females, she's an East Rigger Bantam. That's Charles. He's our Americana Bantam Rooster. This is Ravenna. She's getting a little bit old, but she's very cute. She's a rose-comb Bantam. And these are some of her babies. The old enough ones to come out in this coop. A lot more of our chicks are going to come out here in the coop soon. As it gets warmer. Did you wake up grumpy? Do you need Dada to come cheer you up? I'll go get the turtle. Go ahead. Do you want a huggy from Dada? Would that make you happy? Let's go find your Dada. Maybe a hug from Dada. She needs a huggy. She's grumpy. Woke up a little sad. Okay, bye. I want my turtle now. Yep. Don't forget your turtle, Aubrey. Your turtle. Don't forget your turtle. Okay, I love you, Dada. Oh, I gotta go check on some chickens. Gotta check on the youngest chickens. Alright, Ethan. Bring me the ice cream after you pick it up. I'll get you another toy. Where's your... Aubrey, you're not allowed to get sick, okay? You can't get sick, okay?
Too late. See? Too late.
Is that why you woke up early?
She gets sick. I can feel she's already warm.
She feels warm, yeah.
Yeah, she does.
Hi, bye, baby.
Make sure you get her some Tylenol.
Yeah. What? Where are you going?
So,
you gonna go play?
A little cranky, not eating.
Yeah. Well, come back. Come back. Where are you going? Huggy. Okay. I like your flower. Did you show Dada your pretty flower?
Oh, you do like pretty flower. High five. Good job.
What? Oh, high five. I love you. Bye-bye. I gotta go get some chickens. I love you. And another huggy. Okay, come here. No, actually, no, sorry, you can't come here.